Hi, CJ! Congratulations! CJ, paano mo nalaman?
Unexpected kasi I was out for a dance rehearsal and then nagkaroon ako ng break from my dance rehearsal. So I went out and then doon ako nagkaroon ng connection sa phone ko. So doon natin pumasok lahat ng notifications and that's when I saw I have like so many calls. So many calls from the Miss Grand Philippines organization, the FGI organization, and some of my friends also informing me already about what happened, but I don't know the details yet. So I just replied, and then hindi siya nagsisink in, hindi ko alam paano gagawin ko kasi I thought it was just a normal day. And then at night, that's when I talked to Mami Teresa about all the details and what we're gonna do. And then that's when we planned yung crowning na, paano gagawin namin, the contracts and all will come afterwards. So ayun, until now, we're talking about it.
Tapos, nakapag-usap kayo ni Papa Nawat?
Yes, nakapag-usap kami ni Papa Nawat nung hapon. And I messaged him first and then yun, nagkaroon kami ng time to call. I was asking him, what's happening? What is happening? So he gave me a little bit of the details and yun, kung ano yung kakaharapin ko, which is nangyari na siya. So I stepped up as your Miss Grand International 2020.
Right. Tapos, CJ, could you tell us, bakit ka daw naiyak nung nasa stage ka?
Of course. I mean, alam mo, to be honest, I thought there were just gonna be a few Filipinos kasi syempre it happened in Thailand. Although I know there's gonna be a lot of Filipinos, a community of Filipinos naman sa Thailand. But also, sabi ko, syempre wala yung the supporters ng all the Filipinos doon. So, sabi ko, sana may mga Pinoy na pumunta. But when I came out,
ang dami, di ba?
The whole room is filled with Filipinos. So, grabe siya. And of course, syempre, it's a moment I've been praying for. I know not only me, but also the other candidates were praying for that. We all tried our very best to win for our country and to be there and singing the national anthem. Grabe, as in, tindig pala yung
super kilig, no? Super kilig, super goosebumps.
Yes, I am a proud Filipina bringing my country there.
Yay! Could you also share to us yung story ng gown? Kasi sabi mo, it took 3 days.
It's a 3 days gown, guys. Totoo po yun. So, when I knew about it, I messaged immediately Sir Mac and I said, Sir Mac, baka may available ka po na gown, any gown that I could use for the crowning. And then, sabi ni Sir Mac, kailan mo kailangan? So, kaya sabi ko, kailangan ko po lumipad na ng June 2 agad-agad. And he said, okay, sige, titingnan ko kung anong magagawa natin because he really wanted to make a new one. And then I said, Sir Mac, kailangan ko green and gold. So, ginawa na pala ni Sir Mac. Yes, 3 days lang po ginawa ng whole team ni Sir Mac. Kaya I'm really, really thankful. And if merong mag-a-ask if I paid for the gown, no, it's sponsored po ni Sir Mac.
Wow!
Grabe po. And he even flew to Thailand. So, lalong nakakaiyak. Sobrang nakakaiyak. I really wanted to wear Mac Tumang. Siyempre, during the finals, I wore Mac Tumang and I wanted to have the crown on my head wearing the same designer I had during the coronation. So thank you Sir Mac for being with me.
Yay! Nag-usap kayo ni Rachel?
We haven't talked yet kasi I know she's been, handling all these situations and I don't want to dwell in also. I know the organization is also handling all these things and I respect both of them. I don't want to be in the position naman to tell what's right and wrong kasi I don't have the right to tell anybody that. So I'm just here to step up as I have signed for the job as your first runner-up. If the winner cannot fulfill the duties, then me, the first runner-up, would have to take the place.
What's next for CJ aside from the parade?
Well, aside from the parade, there's going to be a lot of traveling and promoting the Miss Grand International organization, of course. And I'm excited for what's going to happen next. Probably there's going to be a lot more activities also for Miss Grand Philippines also.
Invite mo rin sila sa parade and sa screen
Oh,
ng
yes,
Miss Grand.
please.